What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. Well, I am done with the wrecker. It's actually in its case, ready for the Desert Scale Classic. And I thought I'd do a kit review because there was a reply that someone on my friends list on YouTube, one of my subscribers, asked me to do a kit review on this, and this one's for you. So I also want to know too. I just barely opened the box. I couldn't do it on camera because I shoot this with an iPhone, and so what I did is I cut the plastic open on the box, and here's all the stuff still in the plastic, but I cut the ends off the plastic so I can slide it out and show you guys. So let's get to the kit review and see what's in here. See how clean this body is here. It's got a little line through here, but seems like a pretty easy one to take care of. There's a scratch on there. I can take care of that. Body looks pretty nice and clean. Calm this line down a little bit. I like it. So what else we got here? Got my parts of these. Here's the hood, the wheel backs, center console, visors, typical stuff, radiator support at the top of it. Hinges. I've heard good things about this kit. Sorry guys. There's a radiator support there. It's part of the, that looks like the part of the firewall. Engine halves, the 396, the heads, the oil pan, water pump, starter, fan, hoses, exhaust manifolds over there. I don't know how original I'm going to stay to this. Well, I think I'm going to do one original, and then I'll do another one that's just kind of got my little goodies on there. There's an interior, it's nice and clean. It's actually pretty nice interior. Here's something I like. The frame on there. I like it when they're separate from the pan on here. Exhaust. Looks like the rear end there. Cover. Distributor. Battery looks kind of nice. Some nice pieces on here. It looks pretty simple though. Oh, I don't like it when they do this, but I get it off. Trademarks on the bottom there. I hate dealing with that. But I'll get it off. I got ways of getting it off. So, oh, the pedals over there. There's the clear. The tires, red lines. That's kind of cool. There's the chrome valve covers. It's like typical instructions, Revell instructions. Let's see what the decals look like here. This is something I'm always liking to look at. So, well, you can do it in either white, red, or black stripes. That's kind of cool. All the nice badging. The Delco for the for the battery, it looks like. All the gauges. That's kind of cool. Looks pretty well put together. I'm digging it. I think I can do something with this. I might actually build a stock one right now. Yeah, I'll stick this inside here. I don't get ruined. Well, that's that for that. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic kit. So, well, there's a quick review for the 68 Chevelle SS 396, guys, the limited edition. Looks pretty straightforward kit, but pretty nice and clean too. So I've heard really good things about it. I heard it fits real well. I also bought the 69 AMT, so maybe I'll do a video on that coming soon, and we'll compare the two. So this one looks like it could be fun. But alright guys, this video has already gone on for a little while for a kit review, so hope I covered everything. Flash is minimal on this kit. Pretty straightforward, everything's nice and crisp. Couple little trademark things I don't like on here, but you know, I mean, that's, none of us like that, but the body is pretty primo. It's got, I think it's got one line going through it. I mean, it's pretty nice. But yeah, this might be real quick and on my bench soon, so I'm actually thinking about it. So all right guys, I've been rambling on long enough, so I'm gonna let you guys have a good rest of your night, and you guys all take care. See ya. Bye.